An important challenge in serialization is to keep the line efficiency. This is why Optel Vision integrates Domino into its packaging line. They are really reliable, easily adapted to any packaging line, and have an excellent print quality.
I founded Optel Vision about 25 years ago, and we only had technologies at this time. We didn't have any product. We had a lot of knowledge in electronics, in optics, software. Optel is really bringing safety through technologies. With all the technology we have, we ensure that the customer product is the right one before going out of the plant, and now have the proper traceability feature to be able to track and trace and authenticate on the supply chain. Track and trace is really a push by the regulation agency to stop counterfeited product. So track and trace will allow to know at every moment where is a product in the supply chain. Optel Vision is at the start in manufacturing, and then other IT suppliers manage to follow the product in the supply chain. But this will give a clear visibility and see any interruption in the normal flow of the product if a counterfeited product is inserted.
Hi, I'm Ken Fallu, Product Management Director at Optel Vision. Here we have the Flying Carton Tracker, an ultra-compact unit designed to print and inspect cartons for serialization. One of the main challenges in serialization is to update reliable 2D code print quality. Printing codes require excellent vision and printing system. Optel Vision developed technologies using secondary tracking code with visible or invisible ink. Our solutions are intuitive while very flexible, and we offer a complete validation as well as expert training class with manuals.
We have systems over 25 countries around the world, and almost every month we have a new country where we are deploying. We need to have a local support from our partners. So Domino have that, they have a global reach. Of course, Optel Vision want to grow, and probably Domino will grow in this business also. And we look forward also to transfer of this track and trace technology into other industry later on. So there'll be a huge market opportunity for partners that are in this field. We've been working with Domino since probably the last 20 years. We of course inspected the print of the Domino technologies, and then later on customers start asking us to control the printer to send the data. And now with serialization, it's now an integrated solution they want to have. They want to say, okay, I have a production line, and Optel take care of implementing the new printing technology. It's been a natural fit with Domino, with their presence in the pharmaceutical market, their global reach, and it's why now it's a kind of a natural partnership that we have together. Thanks, Domino.